Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Zeal of the Lord. So, the zeal of the Lord is God's burning passion to accomplish His purposes, fulfill His promises, and reveal His glory. It is the unstoppable energy behind His saving acts, His covenant, faithfulness, and His triumph over darkness. God is not passive. He moves with holy intensity to redeem, restore, and reign. His zeal assures us that His plans for Christ's kingdom and His people will surely prevail. So ayon po sa Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6, 7, For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on His shoulder, and He will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Of the greatness of His government and peace there will be no end. He will reign on David's throne, and over His kingdom establish and upholding His with justice and righteousness from the time on and forever. The zeal of the Lord Almighty will accomplish this. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, the zeal of the Lord, it is God's passionate desire to redeem the world. So, ibig sabihin, sobrang tindi ng pagmamahal ng Diyos sa atin na hindi niya hinahayang manatili tayo sa kasalanan. So, God is passionately working para iligtas tayo at ibalik tayo sa tamang relasyon sa Kanya. And it is God's resolve to reign through the Messiah. So, desidido ang Diyos na maghari sa mundo. Sa pamamagitan ng Mesiyas, si Jesus, hindi lang siya basta ruler, siya ang perfect king na magdadala ng tunay na kapayapaan, katarungan at pag-asa, and it is God's deepest desire to glorify Himself. So, pinaka-desire ng Diyos ay mapakita ang kanyang kabutihan, kapangyarihan at katapatan sa buong mundo. Kapag nagliligtas siya, nagpapagaling o kumikilos, lahat yun ay para makita natin kung gaano siya kadakila. And sa applications naman, know what makes God happy. So, kilalanin mo kung ano ang nagpapasaya sa Diyos: obedience, humility, love, and faith. So, kapag alam mo ang heart ng God, mas madali kang mamumuhay ayon sa kanyang kalooban. And align your goals with God's passion. So, i-check mo lagi yung goals ko ba align sa purpose ni Lord. Mas fulfilling ang buhay kapag ang direction mo ay nakaayon sa passion ng Diyos para iligtas at lubuyin ng mundo. And be passionate to honor God in all you do. So, magpursige ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Sa work, school, ministry, family. Not to impress people, but to honor God. Gawin mo lahat with excellence and sincerity dahil gusto mong maparangalan siya. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.